Welcome to Tech Talk Unplugged, where we dive into the latest innovations in technology and how they're reshaping our world. Today, we're exploring CleverBee, an advanced AI research assistant that leverages powerful tools and frameworks to elevate research capabilities. It's a fascinating conversation about the intersection of AI and productivity, so let's get started. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm excited to share with you insights about CleverBee, a Python-based research assistant making waves in the realm of AI. You know, when we think about research, it's usually about hours spent poring over books and articles. But what if I told you there's a tool that could automate much of that tedious process? Pretty cool, right? So let's break it down. CleverBee uses large language models, or LLMs. Think of them as super smart assistants that help in planning and generating reports. I'm talking about advanced models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is used to create comprehensive reports based on user-defined topics. Now, what's interesting is its support for multiple LLMs tailored for specific tasks. For example, there's the Next Step LLM, also Gemini 2.5 Flash, which helps analyze ongoing research and decide the next best steps, and a Summarizer LLM, Gemini 2.0 Flash, that condenses web content into digestible summaries. It's like having a research team in your computer. You might be wondering, how exactly does it work? Well, CleverBee employs a web browsing tool called Playwright to scour the internet. It extracts information from various sources, cleaning up the HTML along the way before summarizing everything in a friendly markdown format. If that sounds technical, don't worry. It basically means it gathers information from the web in a format that's easy to read and use. And here's a neat feature. It tracks token usage and estimates costs for LLM calls, making it easier for researchers to stay within budget. It's fascinating how CleverBee has integrated all these elements to streamline the research process. Imagine how much time you'd save if you weren't manually sifting through countless articles. Before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to think about this. In a world that's racing towards AI conveniences, what does it mean for traditional research methods? How do we balance technology and human insight? Moving on, CleverBee is quite the adaptable tool too. It's designed to run on multiple systems like macOS, Linux, and even Windows, although with a bit of limitation. It leverages the strengths of NVIDIA GPUs for optimization, making it responsive and efficient. Now, some of you might be thinking about how to get started with it. The process is pretty straightforward. Just clone the repository from GitHub, run a setup script, and voila, you're ready to research. It's almost like unwrapping a new gadget. And what about the community around it? CleverBee operates under the GNU Afero General Public License. This means if you contribute to it, your work also falls under this license. It's a nice touch that encourages everyone to collaborate and keep improving the tool. All right, to wrap things up, CleverBee represents a powerful leap in how we conduct research today, combining the intellect of LLMs with user-friendly interfaces. We're standing on the brink of a research revolution. So consider this. How might you use such a tool in your work or studies? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Unplugged. We're always here to discuss the latest innovations and what they mean for us as we embrace this ever-evolving digital age. Until next time, keep exploring the intersection of technology and research.